A man was washing his car with his son. His son asked, "Why don't you just use a sponge?" You're welcome.
Lots of deer tracks.
So he's talking to us.
Yeah. It's funny.
Hello.
All right, so today we sheathe the walls. Joy.
The pieces we have left out there.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, if it's not a lot of cutting, I suppose. I don't know.
There'll be some cutting. We'll leave the windows boarded in for now until we get the windows,
Yeah.
just in case
It
the
takes
windows
a bit.
take a bit. They're all common window sizes, and you know they're already all taken care of. But just everything's takes a while to order. So
Yeah, and it's so cold, like usually, so it'd be nice to have them boarded in. That way we can keep the heat in as soon as we get the roof on.
Yep,
We'll see.
exactly. So we're gonna board it in. Get it
Yay.
looking even a little more campy,
Yay.
cottagey, housey, homey, whatever.
Yeah. Oh, scared me. Strongest woman ever.
Yeah.
So you want me to hold it? Like you get it, we'll get it in place together and then I hold it there or
it's gonna
something?
land like here.
Yeah.
So we'll just throw it up.
Yeah, okay.
I was thinking I would hold it and you could just fire a couple nails in it.
Okay. All right. Just attack it.
You could just see where it's going to be and
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah.
You know for sure on the edge.
Yeah.
What's that set at? Sometimes I have it set for the framing nails.
You
so-
did, because the framing nails were just in it.
Yeah. If not, it just drives them home. Big time. All right. There.
Yeah, you call it good enough. Okay, you want one in that corner?
There's the height there.
Yeah, you could come down a tiny here, but it's pretty much matched. Up a little more. More.
More?
It's just like a quarter of an inch. Okay, no, you're too high, see? Down, down. There, okay. Should I attack it?
Yeah.
Put another one?
Yeah, you don't have to put them that close.
Okay.
Just a sec, wait, make sure this is going to be lined up.
Yeah.
Is
That
it?
so far is. I
Is
could
it?
go just one more.
Yeah, go to the thing.
Here.
Yeah. Go to the next one. Right by my face there.
Right by my face, yeah. Okay.
All right, there's one.
Yay!
Well, that brace looks like it's out like a.
Yep.
Who did that?
You. You, and more you. Oh,
Actually moved a bit, eh?
yeah.
I'm gonna keep that on there.
Yeah.
I got a level.
No, I can go get it though. I reckon you have to push it out. It looks like it came in. Where do I put it on this guy? Oh, it looks pretty bang on.
Hey, look up, it's sticking out. Hey,
Yeah. Again. Too bad, eh?
all right.
Get these out of the way.
You seem high, babe. Why are you so
Wait a
high?
minute.
The plate's down there. It's a bottom plate because it's at the bottom. Lots of dust flying, eh?
Yeah, I gotta go get a pair of glasses.
That nice day has turned its back on us.
Yes, you're right.
Whoa, the wind's catching her. Whoa. That's a bonus. Oops, right up through the plate. That was a bad bonus. Have a hammer?
Yeah. Oh, good.
Yeah, I'll take the hammer. My bonus one was stupid.
It was not very bonus.
It was a bonus right through it, up through the plate. So I might as well keep the hammer on me.
Yeah.
Whoever did that, eh?
Don't have a tool belt.
Some idiot did that.
Yeah.
Probably the same idiot who just fired the nail through the plate.
Yeah. Definitely you. I didn't put them up there. And there ain't nobody else here.
But
Can
there
you-
is two idiots.
Yeah. Can you get one from here to here? Yeah, probably.
They gotta rip it.
Yeah, but go to this one.
Yeah.
These are too crappy.
Too crappy? Well, you have to anyway because it strengthens the wall up. You gotta go.
Yeah,
You can't put
over.
a seam there, or that would defeat the purpose.
Well, I didn't
eh?
know if you'd put it like right past, but it'd be kind of pointless.
No, definitely not. That's a hard no. We must have been cold that day and just wanting to hang the wall, eh?
Yeah.
Leave the brace hanging out.
No
Man,
doubt.
it's quite windy.
It is all of a sudden. Doesn't that look right on?
That looks pretty good, yeah. It's like the opposite of
Windy.
what I thought it was.
I know.
I thought the afternoon was gonna be nice.
Yeah.
The morning was bad. It like flipped. 40 inches? Yeah, right there. Yeah. Look at a 40-inch piece.
Okay.
Yes! Snow and sawdust.
Oops, I
Come in
dropped
there.
it.
Felt like there was no help behind me.
It was awkward. Don't blow away.
I didn't want to toss one on there.
A rock or something?
Let's toss one
Yeah.
of these.
My land. We don't need that now.
The Atlantic Ocean is in the air.
Yeah.
We're a lot closer to it now.
Uh-huh.
Way closer than we used to be.
Oh yeah. We get that wind.
And then we're on the, like the small mountain here. And it just comes right across it. Wait till the winter kicks in. I bet you there'll be a ton of snow.
Oh yeah. Just throw it over back on here, eh?
Yeah, we might need it again.
Yeah, probably. Ooh, what the heck are
I
you
drove it into
doing?
the top plate.
Yeah.
Good thing I didn't tear it off.
Yeah. Okay. What you're doing? I'm gonna get out of there.
What's, is that water you're drinking? How's
Okay,
it there?
shall I check it now? Yeah, it looks pretty bang on.
Pretty bang on, kinda, about 3/4 of an inch off.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. You get the nails in backwards.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm getting rough, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
Rough.
Just wonder what's going on.
That's awkward.
Yeah, they're fully the other direction. I saw them all aiming this way. All right. I have to get down for that. You want to pass me the hammer? I'll just finish this. It's probably going to take a little bit of time.
A little bit of rigmaroling.
You just grab me the hammer, please.
I will figure this out. Are you on the ladder? I can pass it over.
Yep.
Pop your head up.
Yep. Any progress on it?
No.
They're pretty good.
Yeah. Just like, because they're kind of stuck in like a certain spot, eh?
Yeah. Might have to take her apart.
Might, yeah. Yes, yeah. I think that's annoying, just because they're backwards. I do have the drill here, though, I guess.
Well, it's Torx. I don't know if we have those on us.
No.
Well, I don't know if there's a point in me cutting that right at the moment then.
No.
Close to the pick Sam up time.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We'll just go deal with it,
Yeah.
fix it all up, and then come back.
Yeah. Some bright.
One little mistake.
What else?
Yeah. awesome. We got it all sheathed in.
Yeah, if you saw at the end here, we were just kind of piecing it around that door because we're just using what we have, so
Yeah.
it's all good.
Yeah.
We just got to wrap it now. Obviously got to cut out the windows, got to do the top plate, and that's pretty much it for the exterior part of it.
Yeah, that's exciting.
It's looking all right, eh, Sam?
We like it. We're excited.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
Yeah. So anyone who's made it to the end now, we wanted to let you know that we're doing a giveaway. And
For Christmas.
For Christmas, yeah. So we're doing, we have two $100 each gift cards. So there'll be 2 winners. So what you have to do is comment under this video, and you have to, in your comment, it has to say the word Ariat somewhere in the comment.
That way we know whoever made it to the end actually likes us. So.
Yeah, and actually listen.
Or likes us enough to stick around, yeah.
Yeah, so because some people will just comment, but they might not have made it all the way to the end.
Yeah.
So your comment has to include the word Ariat, and you're going to win a $100 gift card from Ariat. So they work in sponsorship with us, so it's awesome. A Christmas gift to you guys. So there'll be 2 winners. Again, just comment on this video. Make sure you include the word Ariat so we know you actually watched it.
Yeah, and that's it's A-R-I-A-T.
Yeah, Ariat.
And the card's good, like right away. As soon as you get it, you'll just get we'll give you the number for it.
We'll give you a code, yeah.
The code there, and you'll be good to go. $100.
So you don't even have to send it in the mail. You'll just get it instantly.
Yeah,
so
we'll give
spend
it
it before
right away.
Christmas.
So it'll be cool.
Yeah. So how long do they have? Like 24 hours after the video goes up to comment, and we'll do the draw?
Probably something like that.
That way
Right
there's
between
time.
this one and the next video. That's usually the best way.
Yeah. Okay, so you have until the next video goes up to comment under here. And then we'll draw the winner, and we'll let you know in the next video who the winner was. So good luck, everyone, and Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Oh, and right before we go, we haven't cut that window out yet, but we dropped that window a little bit so that we'd be able to see. We mentioned in the last video that we're going to drop that. We dropped that window purposely. Normally you line your headers up, but we're doing it like custom for how we want it. So there's no curbs. There's no curb appeal here. There's a deer or something, but it'll still look nice anyway because there's something else I'm going to mention. So we want to drop it down so you can see it from the couch beside the fire and all that. But this also, remember, this roof extends out here, and we're gonna like board the bottom into and probably put some lighting underneath, and then this will probably end up all wrapped with what am I thinking?
Like a screened-in porch.
Screened-in porch.
Yeah.
So from back there, you'll basically kind of see a screened-in porch, and then that door to get in, right? So it'll make sense once we're done. But that's why we did it, for practicality from inside, and it'll still look nice when we're done. I promise it'll look good. By the time we're done, it'll look good.
Yeah.
Sometimes you got to break the what is the
whatever
word?
the
standard
rule,
or whatever.
Yeah.
It'll
just do what actually works for you.
It'll still look good, right?
Yeah.
Because of the way we're going to do it. So just thought I'd put it. A couple people said that, so you'll see.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks. Let's get out of here.
See ya.